In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SignWell, QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you're using QuickBooks Online Advanced and want to streamline e-signatures, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to make the connection. Before we begin, it helps to have admin access to your QuickBooks company so you can install apps without interruptions, and it's always a good idea to confirm you're working in the correct company file. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the navigation bar on the left and select Apps. This opens the app marketplace that's built right into QuickBooks. From here, switch to the Find Apps tab. This is where you can browse and discover third-party tools that integrate directly with your books. You'll notice categories, recommendations, and search controls that make it easy to locate exactly what you need. In the search bar, type SignWell, then open the SignWell app page from the results. The app page is your hub for details. You can review what the integration does, the key benefits for your workflow, pricing information, and user reviews. It also lists what data the app can access, so you understand how it interacts with your customers, documents, and transactions. Taking a moment to read through this section helps you install with confidence. When you're ready to connect, click Get App Now in the top right corner of the app page. QuickBooks will guide you through a simple authentication process. You may be asked to confirm the company you're connecting, sign into your SignWell account if prompted, and approve the permissions requested by the integration. This authorization securely links the two platforms so they can share only the data needed to power the features you saw on the app page. If any options appear, choose the settings that best match your workflow and proceed. After authentication completes, the connection's set. You'll be returned to QuickBooks with the integration enabled, and SignWell will be ready to use alongside your existing processes. If you ever need to review what you installed, you can revisit the Apps section to manage your connected apps, check settings, or learn more. And remember, reviewing permissions and confirming you're in the right company file are simple ways to avoid common hiccups. That's it. You've connected SignWell to QuickBooks Online Advanced with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother e-signature experience inside your QuickBooks workflow.